Let me save you some time. With Jupitrr AI, you can transform your audio into a complete video, adding B-rolls, achieving instant creation, and automating subtitles all with a single click. Don't believe it, right? Let me show a typical example. The video you watched was generated by Jupitrr AI. I uploaded the audio file, and the AI turned it into a complete video using Pexel stock videos. Let's play it.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most spectacular cities in the world, Dubai. If you're planning a trip or just dreaming about your next vacation, stay tuned.
Amazing, right? If you upload this video to your YouTube channel, it can be monetized easily. To get started, click the link in my description. This will take you to the Jupitrr AI tool. Jupitrr is an AI video maker designed specifically for content creators, with a focus on B-roll generation. Normally, you might spend countless hours learning basic editing, searching multiple websites, subscribing, downloading various stock footage, and then pasting and trimming it in the editor. Time-consuming, right? Jupitrr simplifies this process with a one-click solution that is 10 times faster and far easier. Here's how it works. Click on Create New and then AI Video. There are two options. Add B-rolls to your video and turn your audio to video. I'll show you the Add B-rolls to your video option first and then demonstrate the second one. Let's say you've uploaded a video file. Now, the video has been uploaded. On the left-hand side, you can see the transcript done by the AI, and on the right is the video preview. Let's play this video.
Oh, so what do you do for work? And every single person that I had a conversation with that night had their own thing going on. One owned a jewelry company, one was a producer, one had a podcast, another had their own coffee shop, one had a tech startup. It was like a new world for me. I was used to being surrounded by people who didn't like their job and spent all day complaining about it while doing nothing to change their situation.
The video on your right is a normal video where a girl talks in front of the camera, which is boring, right? We can make it more engaging by adding B-roll visual. Simply highlight anything from the transcript, like the sentence jewelry company, and choose the option Generate Video. The AI will add relevant footage to demonstrate the highlighted text to look more engaging. This will take time to look for more engaging video with high-resolution video for the highlighted text. You can see now the AI has added a video to the highlighted jewelry company. Let's give it a watch.
One had a podcast, another had their own coffee shop going on. One owned a jewelry company, one was a producer, one had a podcast, another.
This is amazing, right? Again, with the word coffee shop.
Has another coffee shop, one had a tech startup.
Select the whole sentence, coffee shop, then click Generate Video. The AI will add a relevant visual to your selected word. Let's play it.
A producer, one had a podcast, another had their own coffee shop, one had a tech startup. It was like a new...
I will go ahead to generate more videos to make it more interesting. Let's play it.
Oh, so what do you do for work? And every single person that I had a conversation with that night had their own thing going.
Amazing work. You can also change other elements of the video from the top here. Let's say you want a portrait video for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. You can change the subtitles, font style, font size, position, and color. You can choose to have 4 words or just 1 word per scene. This I like about this tool is that it saves hours of editing downloading various stock videos from various platforms. You can play around with that so that you edit the video. Once you're satisfied, you can export the video. To stay updated, don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. Now, I can't wait to show you the next feature. Turn your audio to video. I will go with this option because I make YouTube videos. You can add your own voice commentary or generate text-to-speech AI audio using 11 Labs AI and upload it in Jupitrr. Let me hold your hands through this process. First, we need a viral script for our video. For instance, my video topic is Best 5 Fascinating Places to Visit in Dubai. I'll use ChatGPT to write the script. Here's my prompt. Write a 5-minute script on the topic, Best 5 Fascinating Places to Visit in Dubai. After hitting enter, ChatGPT will generate a 5-minute script. Next, I'll go to 11 Labs and select a perfect voice for the video, for example, this one right here.
We've all heard of the Kennedy family curse, but did you know several members of the King family have also passed away at relatively young ages?
This is perfect. I'll copy the script from ChatGPT, paste it into 11 Labs, select my AI voice, and then click on Generate button. Now, our audio file is ready. The next is to upload your audio file in Jupitrr. I will select the voiceover I downloaded from 11 Labs and upload it in Jupitrr AI. This menu here is requesting a title for your project. Write your video title and click Continue. It will take some time to process. Once the audio file is transformed into a video, let's give it a watch.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most spectacular cities in the world, Dubai. If you're planning a trip or just dreaming about your next vacation, stay tuned.
I paused the video because the AI voice commentary doesn't match the background visuals that I want it to be. I will select the word or the sentence you want to change the visuals, then pick another one from gallery option. You can see that we have more video. We can choose the one that fit our need, which also comes with a high quality resolution. After going through all the videos, I will choose one from this. For instance, I will choose this one. As you can see that it generating the video into the word I selected, which will replace the visual. Let's play it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most spectacular cities in the world, Dubai. If you're planning a trip or just dreaming about your next...
Hope you saw the changes it made. It has changed the visual as we did generated a new video. This is the process. If you don't like your visuals, you can change them using this method. Hope you got it. You can also turn it into portrait for shorts and reels and in square. When it comes to the subtitle, you can edit it. You can change the subtitles, font style, font size, animation, position, and color. You can choose one word display or more than a word display depending on your preference. Let's play it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most spectacular cities in the world, Dubai.
If you want to change anything, you will use the same method I showed you in this video to do that, which is simple. Jupitrr AI is an amazing tool, even better than NVIDIA AI or Pictory AI. However, you might need to tweak the visuals to enhance quality. Subscribe to the most popular creator plan for just $19 per month to access incredible features, including 1080p export without watermark. Use my special link and coupon code for an extra 10% discount. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. With this subscription, you can explore all features and enhance your video content. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.